Append query, we use append query to add data from one table to another tables in the Microsoft Access. I show you here. First of all, I want to open Microsoft Win plus R and then type MSECC and then click blank data and create. I want to make some data in table 1. For that, go to view and then go to design. Here, CL class 1. Rule, we should keep here number and the name of the student and text, and then I want to save it. Control yes or click on save and then go to view and make some data in class 1. Rule number 1, name of student 32 Sam, and then click tab. And rule number 3, inside rule number 4, Raju. Yes, in class 1 there are 4 students, and then I want to close it class 1 and I want to make a next table class 2. Create menu and go to click on table and want to make now class 2 records. So go to same design view and type the table name CLE class 2 and then data type. First of all, remove again this primary key, remove it, and then role and then number. STU the student, name of student, name of STUDA and the student and text, and then Control S and save and go to this data set view. And then now I want to make a different roll number, and for the class 2, 201. Name is Rita, 202 Hema, 203 Sapana, 204 Sitna. That is a 4 student in class 2. I want to close it now. Yeah, you can see here is my class 1 data and here is my class 2 data. Close all these tables and then go to create menu, then go to create menu and then click design, query design tab. This time I want to add data, class 1 data in class 2. So first of all, I want to add this class 1. Click close and then click append options in these query types and click append. At this time I want to add class 1 data in class 2, so I should select here class 2 and then click OK and then select it. For that, double click in this title area, it will select all and then click drag and drop in the field area. Yes, after then click on this run box. Yes, now 4 data will be added in class 2. Yes, done, and then you can save it. To see the results, go to save and type the append query. Append. I want to type just append. That's fine, and then close this tab and go to class 2. Yeah, you can see here all the student of class 1 has been added into the class 2. In this way, we can use append query in Microsoft Access. Thank you.